Today I'm going to teach you how to make this really simple and easy cow farm. It utilizes the new 1.14 mechanic, where if there's any more than 24 mobs in a 1 by 1 block area, they'll start suffocating and dying. And as you can see, it starts to collect some raw beef and leather. And it's really simple to make. All you'll really need are some planks, oak slabs, ladders, fence, barrel, hopper, smoker, glass, and some water, and of course some cows. You'll start by making what will look like a wooden hut. Then you'll take your barrels and then place them all around. And then you can connect up your hopper to the barrel on the front. You don't need all of these other barrels, but they're useful for extra storage. You can also take 2 smokers and put them in the front so you can cook your meat. And then you can place ladders along the sides to help you get up and breed the cattle. Then you can fill in all the walls with glass, since there will be water there. Place these slabs on the top that help with the aesthetic. A single fence, and then some water. And that's really all you need. Once you have all of your cows in place, you can either lure them in here or breed them. Oftentimes you do both. You can walk around here and start feeding them wheat. It helps to walk around a bit because otherwise you don't get all of the cows bred. And then they'll all start to have children. And as you can see, some of them will start dying, and you can collect the meat in here. It's a really easy farm that you can set up early game, and it makes it really easy to farm these cattle. So that way you don't have to run around with a sword and hunt them or farm them in a fenced area. You could also put this in the middle of a wheat field if you wanted. But that's pretty much it. Thank you so much for watching. I hope this video tutorial has been helpful to you. And if it wasn't, please be sure to leave a helpful comment in the comment section, suggesting things I could do better.